The Ashburton Domain is one of the town's most iconic landmarks. Originally designed in 1864, a modernisation program is currently underway, which includes repair and strengthening work to the failing tilt slab concrete wall surrounding the lake within the domain. With the current wall and the sides of the pond eroding away, Ashburton District Council required a cost-effective, long-lasting solution that could be built without disturbing the existing mature trees. An initial plan to reinstate the wall using half-ton rocks was already in place, but contractors and Cirtex successfully showcased the aesthetics and long-term benefits of a MagnumStone Gravity Wall instead. With no tidal surges or active loading from pathways to cater for, two 100-metre long curved MagnumStone Gravity Walls were designed to extend either side of the newly planted southern corner plaza. Retained to a height of 1.2 metres, the finished wall would have grass installed right to the edge. With large tree roots nearby, small extenders were added to the bottom row of blocks, future-proofing any possible increased loadings put upon the wall. After the lake was pumped out, a gravel footing was embedded so that the end result would sit just above the surface, creating easier access to the lake for wildlife. Once all soft material was removed and the level platform laid, blocks were taken to site only as required and placed using small excavators so as not to disturb the trees. MagnumStone's design allows for easy placement of inside and outside curves, with the extenders simply slotting in behind. MagnumStone's standard top blocks were used on the upper layer, which allowed grass to be laid right to the edge of the wall. Tarbottom, Land and Civil found MagnumStone to be strong and easy to install, with Ashburton District Council able to further develop one of their town's most iconic landmarks for new generations to come.